Today I want to show you how to add a new lead in Clodify system. So we will log in as an admin. Go to CRM, add a new lead page. Here we can see that we can add a new lead and then track our sales progress. So it will be test lead. So we added name, email, comment, like it was test comment. If you want, also we will add test source and the phone. You can choose here the country, phone number, and even you can add the comment file if you have one, and add this information. And now we can see, like, this is the page CRM, your leads. Here in your leads section of admin user, we can see new leads here, and here our test lead, email, phone, source, manager, John Doe. We are John Doe now, and we can check information. Here we can even edit and add some information: start date, budget, estimate, and description, and also check the history. So John has created the lead and added the test comment. Then we can type our new comment, post a comment, or even add new files here. So that's how we added a new lead in our Clodify system.